Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable Today tab on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to enable the Today tab on Skype gives you access to a range of features, updates, and content that can enhance your experience, keep you informed, and help you connect with others more effectively. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Skype app. And then you have to see that the Today tab is disappeared. Okay, here you can enter to your profile page. After that, select the settings option. And then you can choose appearance menu. So here, scroll a little bit and you can activate this option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable Today tab on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.